It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as it's a rip connect.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today we're here with Skippa again. Skippa, self-belief. Skippa, self-belief. So I did say that I was going to be reacting to some more Skippa. So here we are. Skippa, self-belief. If you like the content that I put out and you want to support, you can just drop a sub on the channel, man. You know, drop us up on the channel. It does help us as content creators, you know. It encourages us to keep going, all right? So let's go, man. Skippa, let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, bad bro, them no bigger. Me drive crown, yeah, me know one no Bugatti. Still rich, me no care who rich me. From a start, bro, me alone do it. What the fuck is music? Money to a damn me. Show me don't tell the fuck that old ass me. Yeah.
Why fuck that all last be? So that's the question that the reporters ask Skippa. So we seen just for the time yard where there's some reporters outside ready to ask him questions. Fuck that all last beat. I'm guessing that's to do with the Russian beat where the whole unauthorized shit was going on a couple months ago, I think.
Damn me, show me don't tell the fuck that old ass me.
When the kids in my step on,
Don't tell the fuck that old
not
ass
authorized, yeah, the same thing. Not authorized at the thing. So fuck this old ass beat. So we see right here, so the kids them are step up on a record, a vinyl. Vinyl stop playing now. Yeah, you have some all time, some old school selector, but we still use. Well, I wouldn't say selector, but all time disc jockeys who play them. But all last beat, all the vinyl, all. You see me? All. So yeah, references there. Me see.
What the fuck is music? Money to a damn me. Show me don't tell the fuck that
All last
me.
beat.
Yeah. Down on my toe, my top, but the truth, them they hear me. Frightened for likes, I'm done see clearly. Work on my craft, I'm doing it daily. This really make big man act like lady. But that.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
Yo, the man's MC rhythm, I make big man act like baby. I wish big man was acting like baby. Wish big man was that. Enough of them was. Yeah. Enough of them was. Now call a name.
Yeah. Bad bro, them no bigger. Me drive crown, yeah, me know one no Bugatti.
Charge it, big up.
Still rich, me no care who rich
Rich
me.
Army.
From a start, bro, me alone do it.
You're talented enough. Raw talent, you can see it, man.
Don't tell the fuck that old ass me. Yeah. Down on my toe, my top, but the truth, them they hear me. Frightened for likes, I'm done see clearly. Work on my craft, I'm doing it daily. This really make big man act like lady. But that ain't me. Cause this a boy get him talent free. Me not for wait pan a man, I just got on me.
Man, I tell you, that is not me, brother. Me not for wait pan a man, brother. My talent speaks for itself. Me not for wait pan a man all last beat. Oh, hey, Russian, are you the man attack? Russian, are you?
Boy get him talent
Yeah,
free. Me not for
bumper
wait
clap.
pan a man, I just got on me. Do this for the real youths, not the slums. So some boy not for know my songs. Them say have respect, some say Skippa you wrong.
Man, I answer some of the critique them where when him the forward out, and I say, yo, fuck that all last beat. On social media, enough man that say, yo, Skippa, go. We don't know your song and rare, blah, blah. Enough people were saying that. There was a lot of negative comment on the line, online. But the boss tell us, say, yo, you don't have to know my song, them, brother. Me do this for the youth, them in the slum, bro. And only me do this for that. Me do this for the youth, them in the slum. Them know if me can do it, them can do it too. Fuck no. Fuck off. Whole heap of fuck. Fuck it. I don't give. Alright, let's go.
Do this for the real youths, not the slums. So some boy not for know my songs. Them say have respect, some say Skippa you wrong. Yeah, but me not give a goddamn money print every day and I know for you one.
Me not care, brother. Money print every day, dog. So if you can reach, what you feel say me can reach to? Eh? Me not care, me not no respect. Eh?
Yeah, but me not give a goddamn money print every day and I know for you one. From the start, yeah, me alone do it. Me not on TikTok, bro, me out in high street. What the fuck is music? Money to a damn mission. Me done tell you fuck that old ass beat.
What the fuck is music money to a goddamn bitch? Man, I tell you, I'm rich before music, bro. I'm rich before music, dog.
What the fuck is music? Money to a damn mission. Me done tell you fuck that old ass beat. Cause that's all enough for none of them. And some are good artists, but I cap of them. Show up a favorite one, me boss him head. The little bleach out boy from fucking hell. And boy.
When the song a drop? That song a drop in 4 months ago. 4 months ago. And 4 months ago, the beat was causing a controversy. That's so long? Shit. Was it January? February? No? Yeah. February. Probably like after Jada and Stefan were in a January. After that, you know.
Oh, that's beat. Cause that's all enough for none of them. And some are good artists, but I cap of them. Show up a favorite one, me boss him head. The little bleach out boy from fucking hell. And boy rich every day on the calendar. Pussy if you know sweepstakes, I'm a manager. Scamming at the game, I even have no publisher. I don't know. Me and my demons are call, like a boy you want to. Stuck in the dark, my girl is safe in the argue. Yeah, them want me for fall, but my firm like a statue. Dwelling night fraud, like a boy have a back to. Spilling night cranberry, my bond proud, so no boy can't be gone. Me drive crown, yeah, me know I never Bugatti. Me still rich, me no care who rich on me. Cause that's all enough for none of them. And some are good artists, but I cap of them. Show up a favorite one, me boss him head. The little bleach out boy from fucking hell. And boy rich every day on the calendar. Pussy if you know sweepstakes, I'm a manager. Scamming at the game, I even have no publisher.
Man, I tell you, yo, the only manager I have a sweepstake. If you know, you know. You see me? Yeah, dog. Scamming I manager, brother. A sweepstakes manager.
Pussy if you know sweepstakes, I'm a manager. Scamming at the game, I even have no publisher. And I'm at home, I talk about the truth, them they hear me. Frightened for likes, I'm done see it clearly. Work on my craft, I'm doing it daily. Missy really make big man act like lady. But that ain't me. Cause this a boy get him talent free. Me not for wait, pan a man, I just got on me.
Oh, me never catch this when it just
yeah,
man.
Got enough producer boy down with the sweepstakes. When me sing song, I shot my own video. Thank God said the Skippa don't soft like this. Says a dead man, me see when me looking at a mirror. Nah, go heaven.
Record broke up. The last beat broke up. Whoa!
No boy, no pussy.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Yo! I never know this drop. I never know this drop, brother.
Still rich, me no care who rich
on me. The boss went in, bro. As answer the critics, them. The boss this restaurant, fuck your whole ass beat. Boss, I tell you, say, yo, listen, no, not my manager. Sweepstake my manager.
Yeah.
Get away.
And I'm at home, I talk about the truth, them they hear me. Frightened for likes, I'm done see it clearly. Work on my craft, I'm doing it daily. Missy really make big man a ball like lady. But that ain't me. Cause this a boy get him talent free. Me not for wait, pan a man, I just got on me. Do this for the real youths, not the slums. So some boy not for know my songs. Them say have respect, some say Skippa you wrong. Yeah, but me not give a goddamn money print every day and I know for you one. From the start, yeah, me alone do it. Me not on TikTok, bro, me out in high street. What the fuck is music? Money to a damn mission. Me done tell you fuck that old ass beat. Cause that's all enough for none of them. And some are good artists, but I cap of them. Show up a favorite one, me boss him head. The little bleach out boy from fucking hell. And boy rich every day on the calendar. Pussy if you know sweepstakes, I'm a manager. Scamming at the game, I even have no publisher. I don't know. Me and my demons are call, like a boy you want to. Stuck in the dark, my granny safe in the argue. Yeah, them want me for fall, but my firm like a statue. Dwelling night fraud, like a boy have a back to. Mix with Billy Night Cranberry, my band proud, so no boy can't be gone. Me my drive ground, yeah, me know I never Bugatti. Me still rich, me no care who rich on me. Cause dance all enough for none of them. And some are good artists, but I cap of them. Show up a favorite one, me boss him head. The little bleach out boy from fucking hell. And boy rich every day on the calendar. Pussy if you know sweepstakes, I'm a manager. Scamming at the game, I even have no publisher. I know my tongue, my talk, but the truth, them they hear me. Frightened for likes, I'm done see it clearly. Work for my craft, I'm doing it daily. Missy really make big man act like lady. But that ain't me. Cause this a boy get him talent free. Me not wait for a man, I just got on me. Yeah, got no boy, this a boy down with the sheep fix. When me sing song, I shot my own video. Thank God said the skipper don't stop like this. Says a dead man, me see when me looking at a mirror. I got everyone.
Father. Love and love alone, dog. Big up yourself, Skipper. Yeah, do it independent, bro.
No boy, no pussy.
None. Yo, Skipper, big up yourself. What me do this, so? Skipper, come back. Skipper, big up yourself, bro. You do it independent. You do it by yourself. You say what you said, and you stood on business, and you're still standing on business, bro. Man, I say, oh, you not have to know me, you not have to rate me, you not have to like me, but me I go say what me I say, see me. I don't give a fuck what you guys saying. Me, and it not go change. You understand? Yeah, so it is what it is. I ain't got no more to say. The boy from L said that. Yeah, Skipper said that, not me. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace. Big up yourself, Skipper.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.